Hi buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can enable and disable the auto rotate on your Motorola Moto G53. In order to be able to have like a full screen vision when you're watching, I don't know, videos on YouTube or something, you need to have your auto rotate on. It's off right now. And if I go to YouTube and want to turn my phone sideways, then that doesn't work. If I now go ahead and enable the auto rotate, then the screen turns automatically, as we can see. Then I can enjoy a full screen vision on videos, but well, obviously the screen turns by itself as well. To enable and disable the rotation through your drop down menu here is probably the easiest way, but you can also go to your settings, go to display, and then go to auto screen rotation to auto rotate screen, and then enable or disable it here. So that's how you can enable and disable the auto rotate on your Motorola Moto G53. I hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.